In this video, we'll show you how to operate and maintain your new Greenworks hedge trimmer. We'll be featuring the 40-volt model. However, these steps can be followed for most Greenworks hedge trimmers. Please note this is not a substitute for reading the operator's manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings specific to your model, consult the operator's manual provided. Let's get started. In the box, you'll find the hedge trimmer and the operator's manual. Your model may also come with a battery and charger. Unpacking. Open the box and carefully remove the hedge trimmer and its components. Inspect to ensure no damage occurred during shipping. Keep the box and packing material until you've used the trimmer to ensure it works properly. The battery. Charging the battery. Charge the battery by aligning the grooves on the charger and sliding it into place. The charger light will turn on to indicate it's charging and will turn green when fully charged. Inserting the battery. Align the ribs of the battery with the grooves of the battery compartment on the back of the trimmer. Slide the battery into the grooves until it locks into place with a click. Removing the battery. Press down and hold the battery release button so that it disengages. Pull the battery from the trimmer. For corded models, you'll need to connect to a power cord. Start by making a loop at the end of your cord. Insert the loop through the opening in the bottom of the rear handle and place over the cord retainer. Pull the loop against the retainer to remove any slack. Plug in the cord. Operating the trimmer. Always handle the trimmer safely. Do not operate your hedge trimmer without first reading and understanding the safety considerations outlined in the manual. Before starting, put on safety glasses and check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. To start the machine, press the safety lock button on top of the handle and grip the handle to press the trigger, and the machine will start. Once the trimmer has started, you may release the safety lock button. If for some reason the trimmer doesn't start, check to see that the battery is properly secured and the blade and battery assembly is locked in place. Stopping the hedge trimmer. The trimmer blades will stop when you let go of the trigger. When using the hedge trimmer, hold the machine with both hands. One hand on the trigger handle and one hand on the auxiliary handle behind the guard. This provides the safety and stability needed for cutting branches. Your hedge trimmer can be rotated and used in 3 different positions to make it easier to trim the hedge at the angle you need. To rotate the blade, with the thumb of your trigger hand, press the rotate button located on the top of the trigger handle. Use your other hand on the auxiliary handle to rotate the blade and battery assembly. Rotate until the blade locks into place at the desired cutting angle. If it doesn't lock into place, the trimmer will not restart. Maintaining your hedge trimmer. Maintenance is important to keep your hedge trimmer running well for years. The nature of your work often means your hedge trimmer will get dirty, so it's important to clean it. Always remove the battery before doing any maintenance. Remove the dust and debris in the air vents with a brush or use compressed air or a vacuum. Do not spray, wash, or immerse the housing in water. Instead, wipe off the housing and plastic components with a damp, soft cloth. Do not use any household cleaning products, solvents, or detergents. Clean and lubricate the blade. Clean the blade frequently to avoid it from jamming and to maintain blade condition. Clean the blade by brushing away any loose debris with a clean brush and then applying a light machine oil to the blade and cutting bar. WD-40 or similar product is recommended. Maintaining your battery and charger. During the work season, the battery can be stored without charging it. Even so, it's best to charge the battery so your tool is always ready to go. Charge the battery at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. If the battery is hot, allow it to cool down before recharging. Once charged, remove the battery and unplug the charger. The battery can stay on the charger, but it's better to remove it and store it separately. During the off-season, store your battery fully charged indoors and away from any heat sources. Keep the charger clean and clear of any debris. If necessary, wipe the charger clean with a dry cloth. Do not use solvents or water. Storing your Hedge trimmer. Remove the battery and inspect the trimmer to ensure there are no loose parts or other defects. Store the trimmer in a cool, dry location. Avoid storing the unit on or adjacent to fertilizers or chemicals, since many of these have agents which encourage metals to corrode. Properly maintained, your Greenworks Hedge trimmer is built to provide you with years of great service. For more information, contact us at greenworkstools.ca.